study a very important topic of matrix, means the linear algebra part of your syllabus, that is Cayley-Hamilton theorem. What is the statement of Cayley-Hamilton theorem? That every square matrix satisfies its own characteristic equation. Now what does that mean? What does we mean when we say that every square matrix satisfies its own characteristic equation? So you already know that what is characteristic equation? That is A minus lambda I का determinant is equal to 0. Now what does it mean that matrix also satisfy its characteristic equation? Let us see by taking one example. I will tell you in each step that how this theorem is useful. You will see that this theorem is very useful in solving problems and understanding the matrices. So let us take one example. Okay, say I have a matrix A is equal to 1 0 0 1 0 1 and 0 1 0. Okay, find the characteristic equation for this. What is the characteristic equation? A minus lambda I is equal to 0. So do A minus lambda I का determinant is equal to 0. 1 minus lambda 0 0, then 1 minus lambda 1, then 0 1 and minus lambda, determinant is equal to 0. Find the determinant, expand about this row, expand about the first row. You will get 1 minus lambda into lambda square minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is lambda square minus 1 minus lambda cube plus lambda is equal to 0, or you can say simply that lambda cube minus lambda square minus lambda plus 1 is equal to 0. This is my characteristic equation. Now Cayley-Hamilton theorem states that every square matrix satisfies its characteristic equation. So if lambda is satisfying its characteristic equation, then A will also satisfy. Means if you put lambda is equal to A in the char equation, the equation will be satisfied. Okay. So according to Cayley-Hamilton theorem, for the matrix A, A cube minus A square minus A plus 1 is equal to 0. This is what actually the Cayley-Hamilton theorem means. That in any characteristic equation of any matrix, if you put A in place of lambda, the equation will be satisfied. Okay. इसका क्या मतलब है that this is equal to 0? Means if you put the A matrix here, means A का cube, फिर A का square, फिर A और minus 1 is equal to 0. So all are matrices. So let us say इसे 1 की जगह I कहेंगे because we are talking in term of matrices. So this will be your characteristic equation. Okay. So if you sum these 4 terms, you will definitely get a 0. Okay. Now how do we use this? Okay. Say we need to find we need to find A inverse. Okay. Say we need to find A inverse. So multiply both sides by A inverse. To find A inverse, multiply both sides by A inverse. So see what will happen if you multiply A cube by A inverse. What you will get? You will get A square. If you multiply a square by a inverse, what you will get? You will get a, so minus a. If you multiply a by a inverse, you will get a I, so minus I. If you multiplied I by a inverse, you will get a inverse plus a inverse is equal to 0. So simply here a inverse will be equal to what? Minus a square plus a plus I. Fine. So we got the value of a inverse here. So a inverse is equal to a square minus a plus I we calculated. Now let us use this theorem to find different powers of x. So find powers of x, powers of a, not x. Okay, so we saw we are having equations a cube minus a square minus a plus I. From here you can easily tell that a cube is equal to कितना होगा? A square plus a minus I. Now if you want a square तो a into a आप कर लोगे. Okay, a cube is equal to a square plus a minus I. Then a to the power 4 is equal to a into a cube. बोथ साइड क्या करना है आपको? a से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. So this will be giving you a into a cube. So a into, what is a cube? A cube is a square plus a minus I. So this is again a cube plus a square minus I. Put the value of a cube from here. Put the value of a cube from here. So this will be a square plus a minus I plus a square minus I. So okay, this is 2a square. This is 2a square plus a minus 2I. A square plus a minus I. Okay, a square plus a minus I plus a square minus I from here, a square minus I into a. This is a, no? Okay, so minus a हो जाएगा यहाँ पे. So this a is getting cancelled. So 2a square minus I. So we got a to the power 4 is equal to 2a square minus I. Now let us say we want to calculate a to the power 8. So let us remove here. We want to calculate a to the power 8. So a to the power 8 is equal to a to the power 4 into a to the power 4. This is 2a square minus I into 2a square minus I. So this is 4a to the power 4 minus 4a square, 2 into 2a square 4a square plus I square is again I square तो I ही होता है. Now put the value of a to the power 4 again. So 4 into a to the power 4 का वैल्यू यहाँ से पुट करो इसमें. So this will be 4 into 2a square minus I minus 4a square plus I. So this will be 8a square minus 4I to 8a square minus 4I minus 4a square plus I. So this is 4a square minus 4I plus I. Okay, so 4a square minus 3I, 4a square minus 3I. So like this you can calculate a number of powers using the कैले-हैमिल्टन थ्योरम. ओके, हम लोग ने कहाँ तक निकाले? ए इनवर्स निकालने, ए स्क्वायर निकाले, ए क्यूब निकाले, ए टू द पावर 4 निकाल लिया, ए टू द पावर 8 निकाले. अगर ए टू द पावर 5 निकालना होता तो क्या करते? ए टू द पावर 4 को ए से मल्टीप्लाई कर देते. 6 निकालना होता ए टू द पावर 4 को ए स्क्वायर से मल्टीप्लाई कर देते. इस तरीके से मैनिपुलेशन करके हम लोग डिफरेंट पावर्स ऑफ एक्स निकाल सकते हैं यूजिंग द कैले-हैमिल्टन थ्योरम. ओके, so I hope you got up to here. We will solve some problems based on the Cayley-Hamilton theorem. This theorem will be more clear to you, means you will come to understand that what is the pattern of the question that they are asking. Okay, so So let us solve some problems based on this theorem. So let us now solve this problem based on Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Basically this is a 4-mark question, means like same data link type question. Okay, so both the questions are based on this matrix only. So they have given you a matrix A -3 2 -1 0, and they are asking you that A satisfy which of the following relations. Okay, so I already told you that Cayley-Hamilton theorem states that every square matrix satisfies its own characteristic equation. Okay, so let us find first the carry equation for this matrix first. Okay, so carry equation क्या होगा? A minus lambda I is equal to 0. So what is your A? Minus lambda I minus 3 minus lambda 2 minus 1 minus lambda का determinant is equal to 0. So this will give you lambda square plus 3 lambda plus 2 is equal to 0. So this is your carry equation. Now since according to Cayley-Hamilton theorem, A satisfies the carry equation. So simply A square plus 3A plus 2I is equal to 0. देखो लैम्डा तो स्केलर होता है ना, बट ए क्या है? ए मैट्रिक्स है. सो आप स्केलर को वेक्टर में नहीं ऐड कर सकते, स्केलर को मैट्रिक्स में नहीं ऐड कर सकते. यू हैव टू ऑलवेज यूज द आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स टू डू द सम्स. ओके, सो दिस इज माय क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. नाउ चेक, look in the options. Which of the option is correct? Okay, before going to the options, here is one A inverse term in the options. Okay, so first you have to find the A inverse also, because if A inverse is included in the answer, then our answer will be wrong. So find A inverse first. So multiply both side by A inverse. निकालने के लिए क्या करोगे? Multiplying both side by A inverse. By A inverse. So क्या होगा? A plus 3I plus 2A inverse is equal to 0. Okay, your option number A is correct then, because your matrix A is satisfying A plus 3I plus 2A inverse is equal to 0. This is your option number A. So option number A is correct. Let us solve the next problem. You have to find the A to the power 9. So A to the power 9, what is our carry equation? Let us save here. A square plus 3A plus 2I is equal to 0. We will use this to find A to the power 9. So what do you need to find A to the power 9? Let us do it in step wise. We will reach to the A to the power 9. So from here A square is equal to कितना? Minus 3A minus 2I. Solution for second part. A square is equal to minus 3A minus 2I. Then what will be the value of A to the power 4? A square into A square means A का whole square, A square का whole square minus 3A minus 2I का whole square. This will be equal to 9A square plus 12A and plus 4I. Okay, you got A to the power 4. Put the value of A square from here. 9 into A square क्या होगा? Minus 3A minus 2I plus 12A plus 4I. So minus 27A minus 18I plus 12A plus 4I. So this is my 27 minus, this will be minus 15A minus 14I. Okay, you got the value of A to the power 4. Now calculate the value of A to the power 8. A to the power 8 is equal to A to the power 4 into A to the power 4. So simply minus 15A minus 14I का whole square. This will give you a 225A square plus 196I and plus 15 into 14 is 140 plus 70 is 210 plus 210 A. Okay, this will give you 225, this will give you 196I, then 15 into 14, 420 na, 2 into A into B, 420 A. Fine. Again put the value of A square here, substitute A square from the first equation. 225 into A square का वैल्यू पुट कर दो, यहाँ पे क्या होगा, -3A - 2I प्लस 196I प्लस 420A. This will give you -675A minus 450I plus 196I plus 420A. This is -675 and plus 420. This will give you 255. Okay, minus 255A, and this will give you 250 plus 4 minus 254I. Okay, so we calculated the value of A to the power 8. Now we have to calculate A to the power 9. So what is A to the power 9? A to the power 9 is equal to A to the power 8 into A. So A to the power 9 is equal to A to the power 8 into A. So this will be equal to minus 255 A square minus 254 A. क्या किया मैंने, A to the power 8 को A से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, फिर से A स्क्वायर का वैल्यू पुट कर दो, minus 255 A square is minus 3A minus 2I and minus 254A. मल्टीप्लाई करो, कितना मिलेगा, 255 into 3 765. Okay, 765. Okay, plus 510 I minus 254 A. क्या होगा, 765 minus 254 कितना होगा, this will give you 1 and 5. 511A plus 510I. So this is the value of A to the power 9. Then now check out which of the option is correct. This question is a bit lengthy, but of course lengthy question means this question will teach you all the concept that you require. Okay, so which option is correct? Option number A is correct. So using this question, this bit of lengthy question, I just try to explain that how does this Cayley-Hamilton theorem works. Okay, this is A to the power 9. You can calculate up to any power of x. Okay, but ऐसा नहीं है कि A to the power 5000 दे देंगे, ज़्यादा पावर देते नहीं हैं. Okay, A to the power 3, 4, 5 इतना तक ही पूछते हैं. So I hope you will be able to solve these kind of problems now. Okay, so we have completed all the topics that are in the GATE syllabus of matrix, means a linear algebra. So most of the GATE problems that have been asked up to here, means at least 50-60% question I have solved in the classroom itself. Next, your next job is that find out the question that I have not solved. Even if I have solved those questions for a second time, third time, fourth time, look for कुछ भी जो आपने पढ़ा है ना, कुछ भी आपने पढ़ा है उसे आप गेट एग्जाम तक ले जाने के लिए आपको कम से कम 5 बार एक चीज़ को पढ़ने की ज़रूरत है. ठीक है, एक सब्जेक्ट को 5 बार, कोई भी सब्जेक्ट हो, नॉट ओनली मैथमेटिक्स, वॉट एवर सब्जेक्ट यू स्टडी, यू एटलीस्ट नीड टू स्टडी एनी सब्जेक्ट फॉर 5 times. ओके, सो कीप ऑन सॉल्विंग क्वेश्चंस, कीप ऑन प्रैक्टिसिंग मोर एंड मोर टाइम्स. ऐसे नहीं कि एक बार कर लिया, चलो गेट क्वेश्चन करके रख दिया, अभी हो गया. नहीं, जितनी बार आप क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हो उतनी बार आपका कॉन्सेप्ट और क्लियर होता जाता है. ठीक है, सो जस्ट आई वांट टू से दैट कीप ऑन प्रैक्टिसिंग. ओके, प्रैक्टिस करो, जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स मिल रहे हैं सॉल्व करो, नहीं सॉल्व हो रहे हैं डाउट सेशन में पूछो. ओके, for any problem related to matrices, you can ask me in the doubt session any problem related to calculus that we have completed up to here. Okay, so I will end up this matrix chapter here. In the next lecture we will start the next chapter. So thank you, I will see you in the next lecture.